Quick tip for you new builders, swapping out your engines, or you're working on your engine bay, or just in general. Clean the area that you're working on because it sucks working on dirty areas. So like my engine bay right here, I wash this once a year and usually with the engine in, but this is a rare case that the engine's out, and it's such a treat because I can actually go in there and clean everything. Like look at my firewall, look how shiny that is, dude. I cleaned that up so good the other night. All the hardware is clean, as you can see right there. Even the nooks and crannies right there, no dust, nothing. All these guys, super clean. We've owned this car since it was new, and a lot of people ask me, how do I keep my cars clean? Like, do you even drive them? I drive this one a lot. I don't drive the Porsche and the Miata as much, but this one's got like 200,000 miles, and the engine bay, dude, spotless. So all I can tell you is take the time to clean the engine bay because, dude, it makes life so much easier when your engine bay's clean and you're not dirty as you're working on the car. But yeah, I spent like a whole night cleaning this out the other night. Look at that, look at that subframe. Look at that, it looks brand new, right? Damn. Let's see if we go down here. Dude, look at that, that looks amazing. That's my Vibrant resonator. Kind of looks like a muffler, but it's a resonator. So yeah, clean your cars.